severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County, western Menominee County, northern Chaudenau County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 9 miles north of Wittenberg, or 15 miles south of Antigo, and moving east at 40 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Neope at around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mattoon and Flux. This warning replaces the tornado warning issued earlier for parts of Chaudenau and Menominee counties. This storm has exhibited some weak rotation. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Langley,